You are welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 5 to the power x minus 2. This is equal to 60. So what is the value of x? Solution from here. Now, if it is your first time you come across videos from this channel, kindly like and subscribe. Now, this exponential equation is in the form of 8 to the power n minus m, which we can express as 8 to the power n divided by 8 to the power m. Applying this exponential property, then you find that this is the same thing as 5 to the power x divided by 5 to the power 2. This is equal to 60. 60 is a whole number, so it's over 1. So let's cross multiply here. We'll have 5 to the power x. This is equal to 5 to the power 2 times 60. To solve for x, we introduce logarithm on both sides. So here we have log 5 to the power x. This is equal to log 5 to the power 2 times 60. So log 5 to the power x, this is in the form of log a to the power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property, then here we have x log 5. This is equal to log 5 to the power 2 times 60. So what we have here, we divide by log 5 by log 5. Now let's simplify here, log 5 and log 5, so that x is equal to log 5 to the power 2 times 60. This divided by log 5. So log 5 to the power 2 times 60, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then here we have x equal to log 5 to the power 2 divided by log 5 plus log 60 divided by log 5. So from here, applying the power rule property, log 5 to the power 2 becomes 2 log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 60 divided by log 5. So let's simplify here. Log 5 and log 5 simplifies, so that x is equal to 2 plus log 60 divided by log 5. Now we have x equal to 2 plus log 60 divided by log 5. We can express 60 as 12 times 5. So this implies that we have x equal to 2 plus log 12 times 5 divided by log 5. Now you find that log 12 times 5, this is actually in the form of log a times b, which is equal to log a plus log b. Applying that property, then we have that x is equal to 2 plus log 12 divided by log 5, then plus log 5 divided by log 5. Let's simplify here. Log 5 and log 5 simplifies, so this is 1. So x is equal to 2 plus 1, this is 3, plus log 12 divided by log 5. We can express 12 as 4 times 3. Let's substitute this. So x is equal to 3 plus log 4 times 3 divided by log 5. So this is the same thing as x equal to 3 plus, here we have log 4 divided by log 5, then plus log 3 divided by log 5. So log 4 divided by log 5, then log 3 divided by log 5. This is in the form of log A divided by log B, which we can express as log A to base B. Applying this property, then x is equal to 3 plus log 4 to base 5, then plus log 3 to base 5. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. So let's verify. Now, if you recall here, we entered 5 to power x minus 2. This should give us a value of 16. So this is in the form of a to power n minus m, which we express as a to power n over a to power m. Applying this exponent property, then this is the same thing as 5 to power x divided by 5 to power 2. This should give us a value of 60. Let's proceed from here. Let's substitute the value of x here. So we have 5 to power, this is 3 plus log 4 to base 5, then plus log, this is log 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 60. This is divided by 5 squared, which is 25. Now, the next step is that 5 to power 3 plus log 4 to base 5 plus log 3 to base 5. This is in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which you can express as 8 to power n times a to power m. Applying this exponent property, then here we'll have 5 to power 3 times 5 to power log 4 to base 5 times 5 to power log 3 to base 5 divided by 25. This should give us a value of 60. So let's check if this is true. So now 5 to power 3, this is the same thing as 5 times 5 times 5, and this is equal to 125. So we have 125 multiplied by 5 to power log 4 to base 5 multiplied by 5 to power log 4 to base 5 divided by 25. This should give us a value of 60. The next step is that 5 to power log 4 to base 5, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, and this essentially is supposed to give us a value of a. Applying this logarithm property, then 5 to power log 4 to base 5, this should give us a value of 4. And 5 to power log 3 to base 5, this should give us a value of 3. So this is 5 to power log 3 to base 5. So let's substitute this. We have 125 times 5 to power log 4 to base 5. This is 4. Then times 5 to power log 3 to base 5. This is 3. Divided by 25. This should give us a value of 60. Let's simplify here. 125 divided by 25. This is actually equal to 5. So we have 5 times 4 times 3. This should give us a value of 60. So 5 times 4, this is 20, times 3, this is 60, and this is equal to 60. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this implies that the value of x, which is 3 plus log 4 to base 5 plus log 3 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.